raised it. The Congress, in fact, which this morning backed the fringe, Digvijay Singh, who questioned the filmmakers and backed the fringe, his party has now also questioned the BJP. So the Congress on one hand backing the fringe and now raising the sting that was exposed by Republic TV last evening of a BJP MLA, also the Maharashtra chief whip of the BJP, was caught on camera talking about the political angle to the Karni Sena protests and the fringe violence across India. He was heard on tape saying let buses burn and the government will do nothing about it, saying that the BJP would gain advantage out of the protests and the violence that is being seen across India. Let's listen in. In fact, it's a tweet by Sanjay Nirupam of the Congress party in Maharashtra. While his party leader Digvijay Singh backs the fringe, Sanjay Nirupam has raised the sting by Republic TV, saying that the BJP MLA in Mumbai was caught on camera saying they are allowing Karni Sena to go ahead with vandalism all over so that Rajput votes will consolidate and it will help them in Rajasthan Assembly election. This is utterly cheap and anti-social mindset, and that he condemns it. This is the Congress party which is also backing the fringe at the same time. That's the tweet by Sanjay Nirupam, who has raised the sting. Let's play out a part of the sting and also go across to our reporters and some of the reactions we're getting. The BJP continues to run away from the sting that was exposed on Republic TV last evening. Let's first listen in to part one of the sting.